At Domaine Carneros, we created the Scent and Savor Tour, an immersive sensory experience where you get a behind-the-scenes peek at our traditional method sparkling winemaking processes, and then you come down into our beautiful Salon de Rêve and have this immersive sensory experience where we explore different foundational flavors and how they impact food and wine pairing. The scent component is my favorite part of the tour, and when we were designing the experience, we chose 3 different aroma components that we consider primary, meaning that they come from the beautiful fruit we grow on our estate vineyards. Then we have aromas that we consider secondary, which are those that are derived during the winemaking process. And then interestingly, we have what we call tertiary components or tertiary aromas, which are those that are created through the process of aging our wines. As we descend into our beautiful Salon de Rêve, we pour a glass of Le Rêve, which means the dream in French. It was named after the Tattinger family's dream come true of creating Domaine Carneros, a traditional method sparkling winery here in California. So this wine ages a minimum of 7 years on the lees. So the beautiful Chardonnay provides citrusy fruits and flavors, good acidity, good minerality and structure, and the extended aging in the traditional method process brings a wine that has great complexity, creaminess, richness, and that brioche character that we all love in the finest traditional method sparkling wines. And then we pour a glass of our famous Gate Pinot Noir, which is named after our beautiful entrance here at the gateway into wine country. This wine is exceptional for the scent and savor experience because those earthy, spicy, and fruity tones interplay so well with the different foundational flavors. So in the Scent and Savor Tour, we explore 5 different foundational flavors. We've got salt, fat, acid, heat, and sweet. Those different components interplay with the different characteristics of our wines. What we love about the pairing of salty flavored food with our wines is that it makes the wine seem smoother and silkier. It's a really fun textural component when you taste salty food with wine. What we love about pairing our wines with richer, fattier, creamier style foods is that the acidity in our wines cuts right through the richness of the fat, and it's a really great balance and interplay. The fruity flavors of wine pop when you compare it to and pair it with something that has that bright acidity. So it's a really nice counterpoint with wines which turn out to also be acidic in themselves, but what it does is it really highlights the fruitiness of the wine. We chose this egg roll, a shrimp-based egg roll that has just the right amount of heat, the spicy heat, and spicy heat can be challenging to pair, but sparkling wine is actually a great pairing, and Pinot Noir as well, because they're both lower in alcohol than other wines. And that tends to make the interplay with the heat of the egg roll and spicy foods really nice and more compatible than with other foods. And for a touch of sweetness, we have a pound cake with a little bit of seasonal fruit compote. And our wines, with their beautiful acidity, pairs really well because it's a nice counterbalance to the sweetness of the dessert. And we are more than happy to get creative and accommodate any dietary restrictions. We really want everybody to have their best experience. The Scent and Savor Tour is an educational experience, but it's meant to be really fun, really approachable, and very discovery-based. So you can really cater your own level of nerding out to the level that you're in the mood for. We've got these sensory explorations, we've got flavor explorations, and we're going to have a behind-the-scenes peek through our winemaking processes in our sparkling cellar. So there's a lot of really fun activities, and really you will learn, but you can discover at your own pace and at your own level.